friends, welcome to my channel TechSupport. In this video I will tell you how to link passport number with your vaccine certificate by replacing Aadhaar card number. It is very simple, in the same way you downloaded vaccine certificate from Cowin website. Let's begin. Go to cowin.gov.in. You can also use Cowin application on your mobile. Tap on register or sign in and enter your mobile number, then click on get OTP. Once you have entered the OTP, click on verify. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you will see raise an issue option on the top. Click on that. You will now can see 5 options. Go to third option. Add passport details to vaccination certificate for traveling abroad. Click on that. Now select a member from the list and enter beneficiary passport number. Please make sure that enter right detail, because after submitting this request, you cannot make any changes to your passport details. Click on submit request. Now you can download new vaccine certificate and you will be able to see passport number as well. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Tech Support by Hanzil.